goes another unboxing of the Turtlebox. We got a Turtlebox inside of the box. So you have the Turtlebox. Welcome to the family. Then you have your little envelope with your instructions, all the welcome aboard, all your little stickers, gives you information about battery life, your instructions. I'll leave that in there. I'm pretty sure it's self-explanatory. You have your proprietary wall charger mixed in here. Don't lose that because that's proprietary to the box right there. No other charger would work. So okay, I'm not gonna mess with that anymore. It goes there. There's the Turtlebox, packaged nicely. I'm not going to do a lot of talking since it's already been reviewed. And the weight is phenomenal. It looks like a little Pelican box. It has a little sticker to give you all your instructions. Listen for the double click when you close it for the waterproofing. Handle is solid. It's great. You have your little tie downs. All your buttons up here. Looks like a two-way speaker, obviously. And this is the Turtlebox. Next would be a review on how it sounds with my 65 Cobra replica with open side pipes and no top, just an open air.